こんにちは、愛です。Hello, my name is Ai. I'm a Japanese mom who lives in Southern California with my two girls and my partner. In this video, I'm going to introduce Japanese home cooking. Keywords are easy, simple, yummy, and Japanese. Halloween is around the corner, and just like last year I remember I made a video wearing this hat. This is my every year costume, same old. I wear same costume every year, and this year it's unfortunately we have coronavirus, and we probably cannot do trick or treat in California. So, but we still celebrate. Our family will still celebrate, and we are planning to do like a all-you-can-eat Halloween sweets buffet at home. And today, I'm gonna demonstrate how to prepare Kabocha No Purin, my favorite fall-time dessert, Halloween time dessert. It's a orange, very beautiful dark orange colored pudding or flan. And process is quite easy. Maybe for challenge is making caramel sauce, but my caramel sauce is easy to prepare. And another point is try to find the dark orange colored kabocha, not pumpkin, Japanese kabocha. So you go to grocery stores, and then maybe you better find the one already cut in half so that you can see the inside color. And please try to find the nice dark orange color. You will see when you go to the store. So let's see how to prepare Kabocha no Purin. はい、皆さん、if you are new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe and share with your friend. Your one click is very important to me. This recipe is for 8-inch cake pan. And to make a Kabocha pudding for 8-inch cake pan, you need quarter of pumpkin. Quarter. 3 eggs. Half cup of sugar. Half cup of heavy cream. 1 cup of milk. And for caramel sauce, you need half cup of granulated sugar, 1/3 cup of water, and 3 tablespoons of water. Let's make caramel sauce first. Place 1/3 cup of granulated sugar and 3 tablespoons of water on a heavy bottom pan. And you don't have to stir, and cook over medium heat. Sugar turns into liquid and starts to get lots of bubbles. And the color change from light amber to the dark brown. And small bubble becomes big bubbles. As you can see from the video, the color of the caramel sauce has been changing from light amber to dark brown. And you can decide how the color of the caramel sauce. I like the darker brown and little bit of bitter flavor. So I wait till the color of the caramel sauce gets dark. And once you reach to the desired color, add 1/3 cup of water, hot water. Make sure it's hot water, and cook about 3 minutes. And make sure, please be careful when you add the hot water, caramel sauce splash, so be careful. And after 3 minutes, turn off the heat and spread the caramel sauce into the cake pan. And now it's time to prepare the pumpkin. Scoop out the seeds with a spoon, and then wet the pumpkin with running water, and place the plastic wrap and microwave for 8 minutes. After 8 minutes, you can scoop out the pumpkin. And this is a half pumpkin, but I'm gonna use just half. So we need a quarter of pumpkin. Over the heavy bottom pan, add half cup of heavy cream and 1 cup of milk. And heat over medium heat until right before the boiling. So don't make it boil. Turn off the heat right before boiling. And we're gonna use the blender to mix in everything. So add 3 eggs, half cup of sugar, and quarter of pumpkin. And add heated milk and heavy cream mixture. And turn the blender and mix until very well mixed, until nice and smooth. Make sure caramel sauce is hardened, and then add the pre-mixture egg mixture over the cake pan. And it's time to bake. Kabocha pudding will be baked in a hot water bath. So place the cake pan on a square baking pan and add the hot water half height till half height of cake pan. And place the aluminum foil over the baking pan, square baking pan, and we're gonna bake on a preheated 300-degree oven for 1 hour. After 1 hour of baking, Kabocha no Purin is ready. And take out of the pan and let it cool down in a room temperature first. And then once it's cooled down, place in a fridge overnight. And after 24 hours of chilling, Kabocha no Purin is ready to serve. So run the knife around the edge and place the plate over the pan and gently and quickly flip over.
怖いけど。One, two, three. すごい。Look. Wow.宮本テルは知っている。Coffee time. Coffee time.はい、できました。おいしそう。どれどれ。 ああ、美味しい。美味しい。じゃあコーヒーもいただこうかな。これはすごい。
Thank you for watching.